Hi Sweet Peas, Teacher Sarah here with another art project. Today we are going to make raining rainbows. I know that doesn't really make sense, but that's what I'm calling them. So this is what you need. A piece of white paper, 2 coffee filters, a glue stick or white glue, a paintbrush, some water, a marker, scissors, and some watercolors. So the first thing you want to do is cut out a cloud out of your white paper. You could either draw it first with your marker or you can freehand cut like I do. Either option is good. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Clouds are fluffy, so I'm going to cut some curves. There we go. It's a pretty fluffy cloud. I might actually cut this down a little bit. It might be too tall. So let me do that real quick. Oh, that's a flat cloud. I want it to be a little rounder. There we go. There's my cloud. Okay. Now, I'm going to set my cloud aside. But first, I'm going to draw a face on my cloud. You don't have to. I just like to have things with faces. So I'm going to give it 2 eyes. And I'm going to draw the eyes far apart and a little smile. There's my cloud's face. Okay, now I'm going to take my 2 coffee filters. I accidentally grabbed 3, so I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to grab 2 and I'm going to fold both in half. So that's 1 half. And this is the other half. Now I'm going to glue them both to my cloud. So I'm going to put glue on this flat square side first, not the round side. My glue stick is pretty big. Remember, with glue sticks, there's never too much glue, but with white glue, you easily can have too much glue. But also with glue sticks, you never want to roll it up too much because it will break. Okay, here's my first one. I'm going to squish it down to the bottom of my cloud. Just like this. Now I'm going to do the same on this one. I'm going to put glue over here on this flat square side. Glue on there, and I'm going to glue it to the top of my cloud. You know what? Actually, 1 second. There we go. So your cloud looks like this first. So now we're going to start painting. I'm going to paint my bottom paper, coffee filter all blue. And I'm going to paint that one first because it needs to dry a little bit. So, my paintbrush, I'm going to get a little wet. Remember, coffee filters can rip, so you don't want to get it too wet. And I'm going to put it in my blue. And you know what? You can use a little bit of all the blues. I'm going to do a little dark blue first. And paint it all around. And you know what? It's okay if you get it on your cloud. And then I'm going to put some of this blue. Might need to get my paintbrush wet again. We'll find out. Oh yeah, definitely need to get a little wet. There we go. Dip it in water again. I'm going to do some of this blue. Just a mix of all the blues. You could also be silly and paint your rain a different color. If you wanted rain to be a different color, what color would you choose? I would love to hear. You can also mix all your blues. All right, I'm almost done painting this. And I will show you how it looks. All right, so this is so far how it looks. And I'm going to leave this alone and let it dry a little bit. Now I'm going to paint a rainbow on the top. Let me remember, what are the colors of the rainbow? I think they go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. These are the colors of the rainbow. So I'm going to do red first around the top. I just cleaned my brush in the water. And now I can use my red. Boop, 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 boop. All right, I'm going to paint the top and I'll show you once it's done. And you know what? It's okay if your colors mix into each other. It could be like tie-dye. All right, I have my red done. Now let's do orange. If you remember, orange is a mixture of red and yellow. So, oh, I didn't show you, sorry. My orange right here. Orange, orange, orange. All right, and if red and yellow make orange, it must mean yellow's the next color. So I'm gonna clean my brush and now dip it into yellow. I have a couple yellows. This one's almost out, but it is the brightest, so I'm gonna use it. And just paint as I can. Alright, there's my yellow. Next, I want green. Let's do our green. So I'm going to clean my brush with the water. I'm going to pick a green. I also have a lot of greens, but I'm going to pick this green. It's not too dark and it's not too light. Maybe you only have one green, and that's okay. Alright, there's my green. Now comes blue. So I'm going to clean my brush again and get some blue. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. There's my blue. And can anyone remind me, what does blue and red make? It's the last color of the rainbow. Oh yeah, purple! So I'm going to clean my brush and get some purple. I don't use purple often, but maybe I should start. Alright, let me paint in the purple. There's my rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. These are the colors of a rainbow. You know what? This has dried a little bit, so I'm going to take my scissors and just cut little lines in it. So it looks more like rain. Because if you remember, rain and sunshine is what makes a rainbow. There you go. There is your happy rainy rainbow. Thanks for sticking around with me, sweet peas. I hope to see your art soon. Bye!